is John Cena!
What's up, everybody? Baron Von Straub coming at you with another action figure review. Today from the WWE Elite Collection, Series 95, the man, John Cena. Now, I'm not gonna lie, Cena is actually one of my favorite modern wrestlers. I think he's great, generally a good person. I'm entertained when he's in the ring. So let's take a look at this figure and see how it stacks up. So this is the packaging for John Cena. Same packaging for all of the rest of Elite 95, which sadly is just kind of hitting the area around here. Distribution on WWE Elites has always been terrible in my area here in Kentucky. You'll get some newer series before you get older series. It's weird. But Elite 95 all come in this packaging. Maybe due for an Elite packaging change-up. Elites are the line I don't particularly go a whole lot in. It's only certain characters or wrestlers, but it feels like they've been on this box design for a while. Maybe I'm wrong on that. The only one I have not seen from this wave though so far is the Eddie Guerrero. So I've been looking out for that. Loved Eddie Guerrero, of course, like everyone does. But this is what I've been able to find so far for this wave. So this Cena comes with the shirt, the hat, and two sets of hands. One's like the open grabbing hand for like the microphone and stuff, and then the you can't see me hands. You get one for the left and the right. Pretty standard for what a John Cena figure should come with. If any other accessory to be included, I would think would be a mic, because I think John Cena is a great talker, one of the best out there from anyone now. Only other person like lately I think is good on the mic as John Cena is Austin Theory and Seth Rollins. Theory, I think, has really gotten phenomenal over the last couple weeks. Some people may disagree. And if you do disagree, let's talk about it in the comments. Let me know who you think is better on the mic than John Cena. So it's cool to have the updated Cena now with the double jointed elbows. It'd been a long time since I've picked up a Cena. He still had khaki shorts, the last one I got. Or black shorts, maybe. I think it was one of those. So it's been several waves. But it's cool to have a new one. Double jointed elbows, double jointed knees. Let's take a look at the articulation breakdown for this Cena. Okay, so this version of Cena is his most recent gear from his most recent run when he came back to challenge Roman Reigns for the Universal Championship, which sadly he failed. Kind of wish he had gotten it. I know Cena hasn't held that title, so it would have been cool for him to add that to his list. But I like the gear. The yellow and the green go great together. I think in the past he's had a yellow and a green before, if I remember right. It's a constant revolving door of colors with John Cena, which I like. The t-shirts are always different and colorful, and I'm a big fan of those. Now, the only thing that it's not quite his most recent run was that anniversary, which was like a black t-shirt, but that was special to that time. So like I said, this Cena is one of the newer ones. Includes the double jointed knees and elbows. Everything else is pretty standard. You got the ab crunch, the head's connected to the ball joint, so you get better range of motion than you used to, at least on the older Cenas that I have. So that's really cool. That's the biggest upgrade compared to the older one, is it had that single. Now the muscle definition on the old one definitely looked bigger, and Cena's definitely a bigger guy, but everything else is pretty much the same as far as points of articulation. Ball joint on the hips. I think all of the lower half here is the exact same mold. So no difference in some of those more recent Cenas, unless you have the ones where he had the old jorts. That's a different mold with the longer pants. But I love this mold of John Cena. No complaints at all. It's got the newer head sculpt with his most recent hairstyle. Great figure all the way around as far as articulation and style. So like most WWE Elites, it's of course a fun figure to pose around with. Wish he had beaten Roman Reigns back then, but it's not how it happened, so it is what it is. Look forward to him coming back, hopefully for WrestleMania, maybe the Royal Rumble. We'll see. But I look forward to seeing Cena. Like I said, I'm a big fan. Let me know in the comments if you like John Cena. If you don't, let's talk about it. Now, as far as this particular Cena figure goes, you're looking at an average retail of right around between $22.99 and $24.99. It just depends on where you buy them. Things have, of course, gone up lately. Nothing we can do about that. It's getting harder for them to get supplies, make plastic, I guess, or whatever. But that's your average retail price. So if you think it's worth it, then get it. As far as the figure itself, I give this figure an 8.5 out of 10. If he had included some accessories, that would have made it go over. But, you know, the cloth goods shirt is definitely a plus, as well as the removable hat. Armbands can be removed and all that as well. So good amount of detail and stuff with what does come with him, but just a little bit more, I think, would have kind of put this guy over the top and made him a must-have for any WWE collector. But if you like the outfit and love it, I'd highly recommend picking it up. I think this is a great color scheme. Look forward to seeing what the next color scheme for John Cena will be when he returns, hopefully in the very near future. Well, that'll sum up this review. I definitely appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's extremely helpful to the channel as far as getting recommended to other people who like similar content. It's very helpful for that algorithm, so I appreciate it. Drop a like if you don't mind, if you did enjoy this video, and we'll see you guys in the next review.